Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right materials and a crisp design, choose Cricut sticker cardstock and confirm sheet size. Load your artwork into Design Space, then set material to sticker cardstock so the machine applies correct pressure. Once done, pick the blade type and adjust pressure based on thickness, standard, deep, or rotary as needed. Make sure to place cardstock on a light grip or standard grip mat aligned at 0. 5-inch margins, and attach the mat to the machine before pressing go. You perform a quick test cut to dial in blade depth and pressure. This prevents overcut or incomplete cuts. Once calibrated, use the Make It preview to arrange your designs and nest shapes to save cardstock. If you're doing full-color stickers, choose Print Then Cut. Print your sheet with registration marks, then let the Cricut read those marks before cutting. Make sure to disable mirror for stickers that don't require flipping, and confirm the correct blade and mat settings right before cutting. You finish by carefully weeding away the negative cardstock, using a weeding tool for tight corners and detail areas so the sticker edge stays clean. Once cut, peel backing at a 45 degrees angle slowly. This reduces tearing and prevents adhesive lifting. If a sticker unpeels or has ragged edges, recalibrate the machine, swap in a fresh blade, or lower pressure slightly and run another test cut. One key tip: if registration marks aren't read, clean the roller and mat, then reprint and recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.